Hey guys, Cyberdena here, and in this week's video we have the November Antipodean Witch Box. So the Antipodean Witch Box is a Melbourne-based subscription box that every month they send out a box with curated items and a monthly ritual. I pay $49 a month for the basic box, which includes shipping. They have a plastic-free option, they have discreet packaging, and they have a box and brew option. They also have 3, 6, and 12 monthly payment options if you would prefer, or month to month. Ooh, wow, that is very blue. Ooh, yes. So on the top we have the pamphlet which says Blue Moon, the 30th of November. So we have a piece of blue quartz. The planet is Saturn, the element is Earth, the attributes are integrity, peace, grounding, banishment, and meditation. A piece of blue obsidian. The planet is Mercury, the element is water, the attributes are integrity, love, confidence, and grounding. This is really cool. I've never seen a piece of blue obsidian before, and I really dig it. That is awesome. We have hawthorn berries. The planet is Mars, the element is fire, the attributes are integrity, connection, hope, protection, fae, and happiness. I think this is what the box smells like. Kind of soapy almost. We have Deodar Cedar Rose, I think is how that is pronounced. The planet is Mars, the element is air, the attributes are integrity, health, fertility, and protection. This looks really cool. Awesome. I can't tell if it smells like anything. Peppermint leaf. Planet is Mercury, element is air, the attributes are integrity, luck, prosperity, travel, protection, and healing. I love the smell of peppermint. I love peppermint tea. It's so nice. We have a medallion with runes around the edges. Three incense sticks. Like I said, it kind of smells soapy. I don't know what that scent is. Our 2 spell candles. A piece of howlite. The planet is Earth, the element is Earth, the attributes are integrity, restoration, protection, grounding, and clearing. We have our consecrated bath salts for integrity. A little wooden disc with runes around it and on it. A little wrapped package. Oh, cute. a little spell jar with a little piece of paper, and our sigil and affirmation for integrity. I commit myself to an ongoing journey of self-discovery. I know what is most important and intrinsic to me, and I choose to honour that by living a life of integrity. So onto the pamphlet. We have the almanac for November 2020. The 1st of November was the full moon and Beltane. The 9th of November was the first quarter. The 15th of November was the new moon. 22nd of November, the last quarter, and the 30th of November is the full moon, the blue moon, and a prenumbral lunar eclipse. So in this month's box, we have a Vegvisir. I'll put it at the bottom of the screen. Altar tile. It's been inscribed with the Viking bind runes known as the Vegvisir, or the Viking compass. Made of 8 Viking rune staves, is a symbol of protection and guidance used as a compass by Vikings. Vegvisir means wayfinder and signpost in Icelandic language. We have the spell bottle, the integrity, sigil and affirmation, the consecrated bath salts, the wishing candles, the Blue Moon Beauty incense. The delicate woody herbal scent of this ethereal incense will help to clear the mind. The blend has been designed to increase your connection in meditation and ritual work. The Helm of Awe. One of the most mysterious and powerful symbols in Norse mythology. The Vikings would wear this symbol as a sign of strength and protection in battle, also to provide physical, mental, and spiritual protection in life. We've got our peppermint, our Deodar cedar rose, and the hawthorn berries, our howlite, our blue obsidian, and our blue quartz. It also has a passage about honouring the blue moon, for when you may not have the energy for a full ritual on the full moon. And then we also have our full blue moon integrity affirming ritual. And on the back, we've got some deities of integrity, which I will put in a pinned comment down below. And we have a recipe for moon cookies. And so that is everything that I got in the November Antipodean Witch Box. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.